The last query we're going to create in this mini case demonstrates that you can bind parameters that ask for user input with the techniques for aggregating fields, and in a sense a combination of the last two queries that we built. So the task is to create a query that asks the user to enter an employee ID and then shows the name of the employee, how often they processed an order, and the total value of these orders. So again, we start by creating a query and we put in employees and orders. And then the first field is going to be employee ID from employees. The second field is going to be employee's full name. Then the third field is going to be, well, we'll make it order total. And the fourth field will be order total as well. The first thing we're going to do, let me widen this one a little bit. The first one we're going to do is put the criteria in here. And as you know, if I enclose it in square brackets, then this will prompt the user for input. Okay, square close bracket, and since we don't particularly want to see this one, I'm going to uncheck the box in the show row. Then I'm going to make this a sum query. The aggregation method on the first order total is going to be count. The aggregation method on the second one is going to be sum. And let's save this first as orders by employee. Okay, and now let's run it on 2, and then we get Sensini the number of orders. Let's close it now. So right click, close, and then we'll run it again, but now we run it on a different employee. Okay, and now we get the sales by Laura. So that's how you can combine parameters to ask for user input with a sum query. This is the last query, so save the mini case. If you're working on the VM, copy it back to your own machine, and then if you want, submit it to the assignment box below.